Before we begin to disassemble your USW A1, we want to make sure the gun is completely clear and unloaded and there's no live ammunition in the room. Start by opening up the folding stock and locking it to the rear, and then move the slide back using the front slide serrations to check the chamber and mag well. In addition to doing a visual check, make a quick sweep with your finger just to be sure, then close the slide. Next, pull the trigger to decock the gun and use your left hand to align the notches on the rear of the frame and the slide. This is going to allow you to take your punch, reaching around the other side, and remove the takedown pin. Then to remove the slide, pull it straight off the frame and set the frame aside. Use your fingers to remove the recoil spring assembly off the bottom of the slide. Then to remove the barrel, unscrew the thread guard on the muzzle. And slide the barrel back through the slide and set it aside. You have now successfully disassembled your USW. Now reassembly, we're going to start by pushing the hammer back inside the hood on the back of the frame. Then reassemble the slide, starting with the barrel, making sure it fits snugly into the slide in its closed position. Then replace the thread guard on the muzzle, making sure it's on tightly. Then return the recoil spring assembly with the flat part to the rear, securing it between the slide and the bottom of the barrel. Now it's time to put the slide back on the frame, sliding it back on from front to rear. Then using your right hand, wrap it around the back of the gun and use it to align and secure the slide and frame notches in place while you put the takedown lever back into the side of the frame. Your USW is now put back together, and it's time to perform a function check. Cock the gun, test the single action trigger press, and of course the double action trigger press to make sure everything is in good working order. Fold the stock back along the side, and now your USW is reassembled and once again ready for the range.